What is up, guys? My name is Darshan. Welcome back to Darshan's Multi channel. Today we are going to be making something like similar to what we made yesterday. Yesterday we made a dinosaur, right? The Argentinosaurus to be precise. And today we are going to be making something similar to it. So let's be precise here. When we hear the word dinosaur, what do you think first? Which dinosaur do you think first? I'll give some time. Okay. If you didn't get it, it's the T-Rex. The T-Rex is probably like the most recognizable and iconic dinosaur of all time. Yeah, like I was saying, the T-Rex is the most recognizable dinosaur of all time. Like, it's very iconic. It's there. It's popular in the movie Jurassic World Park, all the Jurassics, and T-Rex is also one of my personal favorites. It's like the king of dinosaurs, and it's a meat-eater monster. So we'll be concentrating on making that right now. So guys, we have taken the foil. It's a very big foil actually. Very big, much more bigger than our Argentinosaurus. So let's make it. Let's start from the end like we did for the Argentinosaurus. Let's start it here actually for the tail. Let's make it like this. Like a sharper end over here. Let's make the legs right here. Yeah, made the tail right here. Then made the two legs. Now, of course, you have to make the nails and all stuff. That brings us scissors soon. Now let's concentrate on like the rough part of the body. Now let's make the two small front legs, or like the hands of the T-Rex. Small, thin ones. Just leave it flat like this. Like you can see, make it flat like this, so that we can later cut it and make it into fingers. I'll just keep like this. Just make these legs more even. I know what sound is that? I don't know, guys. So yes, I made the head and the legs and the body, and now we are going to make the head of the T-Rex. Just make like this. Yeah, so let's make the hand, the mouth. So the head, this part is like pretty towards the center like this. Since this foil is like a different type than what I use, it's pretty hard to crush it, but that also makes it more durable actually. So we made, so I will do like this. Yeah, so I'm going to bring the scissors in a moment. Till that time, I'll just meet you later. Alright guys, so I bought the stuff right here. I have the scissors, which are actually too big. bigger than the model itself. I have the Mr. Tyrannosaurus Rex. I don't know, I just made that up. Yeah, I have the dinosaur right here. So now I'll show you what to do. You need to take the scissors. I don't know, I have to be pretty careful with this. I'm sorry if you guys can't see this. You need to make 3 equal pair of toe fingers. Whoa, that just got messed up right there. Yes. So since you made it, now you have to transform that into toe fingers. Oh man, this one got messed up. So in case if your fingers get thin like mine, what you need to do is like take some extra foil and just cover it. Like this finger right here. You can see it became too thin. Like just cover it with foil. We'll do that in a second. Now let's just do the hand fingers and I'll show you guys. Yeah, I'll do this now. Let's do the hand fingers. Yeah, now let's make the hand fingers. Yeah, let me just do it in a second. So guys, let's just do this. It's cut like that. So like this. Yes. So now I'm gonna just make them into like fingers. Just make them shorter like this. Wait. And we are done. So guys, that's how you make a T-Rex out of foil, guys. So I don't know if this name looks like one, but I'm sure because I think the head got messed up actually. Guess the head got messed up. It looks kind of like an Tyrannosaurus more than a T-Rex now. Yeah, but whatever. Still looks pretty dope, in my opinion. We just move away these gigantic scissors away. Let me keep it like this. So thank you guys. Wait. Yeah. Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching. What? Okay, whatever. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. And as always, peace.